Hello and welcome! Today, we are going to unlock one of the most critical elements of email marketing success, which is timing. So when it comes to email campaigns, it's not just about what you send, it's about what you send it. The right timing can dramatically improve the rates, engagement, and even conversions, while the wrong timing, it can cause even the best crafted emails to go unnoticed. So in this video, we are diving deep into the scheduling and sending strategies in Klaviyo. So you will learn how to analyze your audience behavior, leverage data-driven insights, and optimize send times to ensure emails land in inboxes when they are most likely to be opened. So by the end of the video, you will have a clear, actionable strategy to help you schedule emails with precision and confidence. So now, let's get started. In Klaviyo, you have two main ways to send an email, which is schedule or send. So if you want to schedule an email, you can see Klaviyo provides with two options, which I've already mentioned, which is schedule and send now. So let me just quickly explain what are these. So each serves a different purpose and choosing the right one depends on your strategy. So first let me explain the send now. So this sends the email immediately. It's great for breaking news, urgent updates, and even last-minute promotions. But be aware, sending a high-volume email at all at once can trigger spam filters. So if you are sending out thousands of contacts, considering staggering your send time to avoid deliverability issues. So next one is the schedule. This is where you get strategic. Scheduling lets you plan ahead, optimize send times, and ensure your emails reaches inboxes when engagement is the highest. But just picking a random time isn't enough. So you need to strategically choose your send method, send time, and audience segmentation. So now let's break it down quickly. So as you can see on the screen, when you click the schedule and you are here, need to choose the type. So when you click this, you can see there are two types, which says fixed send times and gradual send over several hours. So Klaviyo offers three sending strategies, and knowing how to use them is what separates average email marketers from the experts. So when you click here, you get the types. So let me just explain the types. So first is the fixed send time. So your email is sent at the exact same time for everyone on your list. Best saving time sensitive offers, limited time sales, or even you can launch where you want all customers to see the email at the same moment. So second one is you can see is gradual send over several hours. So do you want to avoid deliverability issues? So this strategy staggers your emails over a set period, great for reducing server load and preventing spam flags. So however, note that A/B test can't be using gradual send. And the third one is the smart send time, which is also powered with AI. So this is where Klaviyo AI shines. It studies your past campaigns and figures out the best possible send time based on your real user behavior. So if you want data-driven optimization, this is your best bet. So here is a pro tip for you guys. So if you are not sure which method works best, test it and run A/B test comparing a fixed send time versus smart send time and analyze open rates. Sending an email at 10 a.m. sounds great, but 10 a.m. where? So if your customers are spread across different time zones, a one-size-fits-all approach doesn't work. So Klaviyo gives you two time zone-based sending options. So when you click this, as you can see, it says the recipient's local time zone and US or Eastern. So let me just quickly explain this to you. First is the recipient's local time zone. Your email is sent at 10 a.m. in each person's respective time zone, and this is ideal for global brands or business with a widely distributed audience. Second is the specific time zone. So you need to focus on a single market, and this option sends your email at the same time for everyone, based on a chosen time zone. So it works well for region-specific promotions, for example, a midnight sale or EST only. So here is a pro tip for you guys. So if your audience spans multiple regions, always use recipient's local time zone for higher engagement. Not every subscriber should get your email at the same frequency. Some are highly engaged while others barely open anything. So here is how to tailor your send times based on user behavior. So highly engaged subscribers. So send emails frequently, which is 2 to 5 times per week, and they open and and click regularly, so they are more likely to convert. Second one is the moderately engaged subscribers, so you need to send emails 1 to 2 times per week at optimal hours and test different send times to see what works the best. And third is unengaged subscribers. Sending more won't help. Instead, trigger re-engagement campaigns and consider removing inactive subscribers to protect your sender reputation. So here is another pro tip for you guys. So do use Klaviyo's sunset flow to gradually reduce emails to inactive subscribers instead of cutting them off at all once. So before you hit send, run through this checklist to make sure your timing is optimized. First is check your open rates and click rates. So low engagement, adjust your send times. Second is the A/B test send time. So when you compare morning versus evening send times and track results. And third is use smart send time for AI optimization. So let Klaviyo find your best send time. And the fourth is segment your audience. So don't send the same email at the same time to everyone. So after that, mastering email timing isn't about guessing. It's about data, strategy, and automation. To check your open rates and click rates, you simply have to go to the Klaviyo dashboard, and on the left-hand side, as you can see, there is this deliverability option. So simply click this and you will get a proper accumulation of how your email campaigns are working. And after that, to check your active and suppressed profiles, you simply need to go to this audience options, as you can see on the screen. So simply click this and click profile. Then here you will see your total profiles, which has active and also suppressed profiles as well. Mastering email timing isn't about guessing. It's about data, strategy, and automation. So now that you know how to optimize and send times, choose the best strategy and target the right audience. It's time to put into action. So log into Klaviyo, test these strategies, and start sending emails that land at the perfect moment. See you guys in the next video.